Hey there YouTube, today I'm going to be, let me back up, there you go. Hey there YouTube, today I'm going to be taking apart this old digital camera to try to make some night vision goggles. There you go. What we're going to be doing is removing the infrared lens right here to allow it to see in the low infrared level. There it is. See that red? So I was having some trouble after I pulled off the filter, because attached to the infrared filter was the optics that magnifies the image onto the right. So basically, the part I needed to take out was connected to an essential component of the camera, so I couldn't separate them. I separated the two. I'll show you this. I pried off the other part. Don't get anything on that reflective surface. That's the light sensor right there. Whole 5 megapixels, 2005 right here. See that? Infrared on the back. There's this reflective, right? So, and just took it right off. And that's the infrared filter. See that? So now at this point, just reassemble the camera and hope it works. Okay, let's see if it will power up. Hey, there we go. Now it can see in low infrared, or high infrared relative. You can see no more infrared sensor. Now I can't really test it right now because I don't have an infrared light, but you can kind of see the pinkish glow. Actually, I can test it. Hold on. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to actually construct the helmet and light rig. It did work. It's amazing. You can see in the dark with it. So stay tuned, folks. Thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing day. Thank you.